So I need to do touch and goes because I need to put more hours on this bad boy. I need to get my landings even better on the Cessna 172. So sorry about the audio. One, two. All right. Let's get that ATIS.
Fort Lauderdale's at a tower information. Mike, 1652 Zulu, wind 140 at 12, gusts 19er, visibility 10, ceiling 4,500 broken, temperature 26, dew point 16, altimeter 3015. LSO localizer runway 9er approaching you, landing at departing runway 9er at 13. Altitude airman VIP TFR in effect at 2115 Zulu. Use caution, drone activities authorized in class Delta out of below 400 feet.
Executive clearance, Skyhawk November 627 Sierra Papa, Bravo 5. I'd like to stay in for touch and go with Mike.
Okay. Number 627 Sierra Papa, contact ground for taxi. We'll try and accommodate your touch and go request as much as possible. Just be advised it is very busy.
27 Sierra Papa to ground. Oh, that's how I like it when it's busy. Executive ground November 627 Sierra Papa, Bravo 5, ready to taxi to runway 9, if possible.
Number 627 Sierra Papa, exit ground, runway 9er, taxi via Bravo Echo.
Bravo Echo to runway 9, 627 Sierra Papa.
Number 627 Sierra Papa, I don't know if locals going to give you a chance to do touch and goes on 9er due to heavy traffic is coming inbound from Miami. They got a stack of jets flying up. If she's unable, can you do that on somewhere else?
Sure. So I'll just depart to PMP 7 Sierra Papa.
7 Sierra Papa, roger. Thank you for the info. Let me update this strip with that information. Thanks.
7 Sierra Papa, roger. All right. It's so busy that they don't even, I mean, they'll take me if I ask them to, but he's asking me to not do the touch and goes here because looks like they have a heavy inbound of jets from Miami. Not a big deal, this airport is only about 5 minutes away, but landings are gonna get more interesting because the wind is coming from here and I'm going to be using this runway, runway 6. What the hell is this guy doing over here?
Number 400 Alpha Sierra across runway 9er at...
On Alpha for flight.
Both, right? Good vacuum, good oil pressure, good oil temperature. Executive Tower, November 627 Sierra Papa, holding short of 9, ready.
7 Sierra Papa, you going to Pompano?
Going to Pompano, 7 Sierra Papa.
7 Sierra Papa, turn left northwest, runway 9er, clear for takeoff.
Left northwest, runway 9, clear for takeoff, 7 Sierra Papa.
Airport information, Whiskey 16500, weather, wind 15012, gas 19er, visibility 10, T-class 3400, ceiling 4500 broken, temperature 27, dew point 17, altimeter 3016, landing and departing runway.
You can turn east-southeast bound towards the airport, traffic say Diamond Star in the left crosswind, turning downwind, you'll follow them.
7 Sierra Papa, looking for that traffic.
Cessna 7 Sierra Papa, that Diamond Star traffic you're following is about 2.5 miles ahead of you, left to right.
7 Sierra Papa, looking, and I don't have the traffic on site.
And ahead to your right, about 2.5 miles, 900 feet.
7 Sierra Papa, still looking.
Cessna 37 Lima, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 6, 527 Lima.
And Cessna 7 Sierra Papa, the Diamond Star you're following is half mile final. You're number 2, runway 6, clear to land.
Number 2, runway 6, clear to land, 70 Papa, and I'm still looking for that traffic.
Look over the grass, short final.
70 Papa, I got that traffic on site.
Roger.
Flat.
Cessna 70 Papa, if unable Charlie, turn right on 15, contact ground 121.9.
70 Papa to ground, on Charlie. Nice crosswind today. Everybody's practicing crosswind landings. Those are a lot of fun. He's gonna go around. What's he doing? DA40. You got it, you got it. Ooh. It's such a good day to practice.
6270 Papa, Pompano Tower, number 4 for departure.
Roger, number 4 for departure, 70 Papa.
Cessna 70 Papa, follow the Cessna departing ahead of you, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
Runway 6, clear for takeoff, following the Cessna 70 Papa.
Number 70 Papa, number 2, following 172, ahead of you, turning left base, runway 6, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 6, 70 Papa. Sierra Papa going around.
Cessna 70 Papa, roger, make left traffic.
Left traffic, 70 Sierra Papa.
You can always go around if it don't look right coming down.
Cessna 70 Papa, runway 6, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 6, 70 Sierra Papa. There's our runway. Good speed. No carby, this is fuel injected. And it's like I'm learning all over again. So good at landing the other airplane. Really windy. I really want to get my landings just like I do them on the Piper, like butter.
Pompano Tower, November 5, Nano Lima uniform, currently holding short of runway 6 at max, ready for takeoff.
Oh no, November 5 Nano Lima uniform, hold short, runway 6.
Hold short, runway 6, 5 Nano Lima uniform.
Alright, number 7 Sierra Pop, you called first, but would you mind if I get the twin off your right out ahead of you?
I'm in no rush, 7 Sierra Papa.
Outstanding. Alright, twin star 5 Nano Lima uniform, Pompano Tower, Katana over departure and staying in the left traffic pattern, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 6, 5 Nano Lima uniform.
via Mike, cross 1070 Sierra Papa.
Runway 6 clear for takeoff, make left traffic, the Cessna departing ahead will be northwestbound.
Clear for takeoff, runway 6, left traffic, 627 Sierra Papa. Tower, November 627 Sierra Papa, holding short of runway 6, ready to depart to the northwest.
Number 6 Sierra Papa, roger.
Pompano Tower, 0 Tango Romeo, we're going around.
Everybody's,
Pompano, say again?
This is 0 Tango Romeo, we're going around.
everybody's having problems today. That guy in a Cirrus just had to go around, bounced a couple times. Clear for takeoff, runway 6, 7 Sierra Papa.
Number 627 Sierra Papa, exit tower, I-10 into left base for runway 9, report 3 miles northwest.
I-10, 627 Sierra Papa, left base, runway 9. Wow, crazy day today.